progressing a little bit further in the flight. Time to destination 2 hours and 28 minutes. And got a couple more libations. Oh, there's our location there. So, got a couple more libations here. First, we'll go with the, let's do the Cork Dry Gin first. So, see if it'll focus. Hold it still.
Yep.
Focused?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So Cork Dry Gin, where good taste prevails. Established 1793, product of Ireland. Combining the unique tastes of juniper, citrus fruit, and exotic botanicals. It's 37.5% alcohol by volume. No, you're fine. Just keep filming. The show must go on. It's not bad, but you can clearly taste the difference. That has like that alcohol-y.
Pine.
Not really so much pine, more just like cheap vodka, sort of like. Not really burny because it's in a mixed drink, but that real boozy type thing going on. Yeah, not near as good as Bombay Sapphire, right? I mean, if I would rate this Bombay Sapphire like a 9, this would be like a 6 maybe. It's not bad, it's not terrible, it's just not great. So, this has been Cork Dry Gin. We'll be back with a Jack and Coke. And just a quick view outside for you. So once again, about 2.5 hours to Boston.